Welcome to Rethink Ed, where together we power potential. Today we're going to take a look at vertical alignment and Vizzle. What's on the agenda? If you're that teacher that's thinking that you need to support those grade level standards, but your students need some intervention. They need those prerequisite skills to build capacity and close the gap. These questions tend to come up. Does Vizzle support TEKS vertical alignment? Absolutely. We're going to show you what that looks like. How does it work in Vizzle? Well, we're going to give you a little demonstration. I always like to start with the frameworks. So it's important to know when we built Vizzle, when you look at the units and topics, they use the TEA, the TEKS frameworks to build capacity. So you're going to see mathematical processes across those grade levels, and the standards follow suit. So it makes it easy for you to find what you need to close the gaps and help with student learning across the board. Looking for references or more information on vertical alignment? Well, we always want to reference TEA as the source. I'm going to go ahead and click. I think it's important to see just a quick snapshot of what that vertical alignment looks like. So from the TEA resource section, this is showing you a specific standard and how it builds from kindergarten all the way through English 4. So you'll see that it's going to evolve. I'm sort of building and adjusting across the board. So when we talk about vertical alignment, maybe I have a fifth grader and they need those prerequisite skills. They're not quite ready for those fifth grade level standards. Or maybe I have a student that needs enrichment. So I want to move them up in terms of looking at that vertical alignment and providing all of the resources that they need. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how all of this works in Vizzle. I'm going to go ahead and log into Vizzle, and I'm going to navigate here to our lessons library. Today, we're going to focus on our academic curriculum. And I'll tell you, I like the unit view because it kind of gives me an overview of each of those grade levels. So if I'm in an ELA and say I'm a sixth grade teacher, this is going to give me the units and topics that are available. But what I'm looking to do is use the vertically aligned content. So if you have a district that has a specific scope and sequence, it makes it easy to come down and just choose your standard. So say we're looking at active listening and asking questions, responding appropriately. I can click on that sixth grade standard and click the apply button. And then I'm going to get a vertical alignment dropdown. I simply click and it's going to help me go up or down. So if the student is sixth grade and I know that they need that prerequisite work, I can move down and click on fifth grade or fourth grade. Or if the student is several grade levels below grade level and they're participating in maybe STAR Alternate 2, I'm able to come down and fill those gaps. Simply click on the apply button. You'll see that the vertical alignment mode is active and it's providing those resources. I click on the detail button on the right-hand side of the screen, and I'm able to go into that unit guide. And this gives me the alignment that I need. So I can see what it looks like in terms of connecting back, going up or down. So I'm using that grade level standard, but I'm hitting those prerequisite skills that the student needs. Can print that out and use it as a resource. If you click on the topics, it's going to give you the individual information. You can navigate to the lesson plan, the unit guide. There's even an observational scoring sheet, so you can track data in the classroom and observe that student learning. Simply choose your level of instruction, click the assign button, choose your student group. So this is my ELA level 2 group. It's going to highlight the students that are in that particular set. Choose your date range, whether you want the students to retake that lesson. Set. Click the assign button. It's as simple as that. It's going to tag it to a learning goal so that I can always go back and I'm checking on that data and that student's learning journey. Let's take a look at math. I'm going to go ahead and click on the lessons tab. I'm going to reset my search by going to math. And it remembers those little cookies on the left. So are you still in sixth grade? Well, I'm going to pretend I'm a high school teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and click on ninth grade. This is going to give me the units that are set up in terms of the overview for this particular subject area. Again, for high school courses, you can select the particular course. So maybe I'm in Algebra 1. It's just sorting and organizing the information so that it's easy to digest. At any time, with or without the course, you can choose your grade level standard. So maybe we're looking at problem solving. I can simply check on the standard, click apply, and it's going to give me the grade level units that are related to that particular set of TEKS. Don't forget, the vertical alignment pops up. I am able to select it, click on a parallel concept from ninth grade all the way down to kindergarten. We're connecting all of the dots so that if your students need those prerequisites, they're here at your fingertips. So the students in ninth grade, but maybe they need the seventh grade support, click the apply button, and it's going to give me the vertically aligned content for mathematical processes. Simply click on the Details button, navigate to the unit guide for an overview of the standards, the information that you're looking for that particular set. Click on the topic to find the content that you need to support your students. Choose your level of instruction. Click Assign. You're off and running to the races. It's super simple to come in and find that vertically aligned content, assign it to students in just a few clicks. So you have everything that you need in terms of setting up access and providing grade level standards in a way that is supporting students at their individualized learning levels. We're looking forward to exploring with you and providing supports throughout your school year. Don't forget, you can always click on Help for more information. We're here for you on your learning journey. Have a great day and happy Vizzling.